Hey, hey, hey! This is Pierre Vidal talking. Do you know your geography? Do you know how maybe Excel can help you to learn about geography here? I have a website. Let me copy this list. So there's a list of all the country with some information. And let me show you what you can do in Excel with that. So I'm going to launch Excel and show you first that you can import data coming from the web. So actually in data here, you can select the from web and you can enter the URL and it will try to grab the table in the page. So that's the first thing to know if you don't know that already. So let's see what it gets. So it's connecting, it's grabbing the information, and it's going to show me if there's a table. Yeah, there's a table. And yes, so I have everything I need here. Maybe I don't want the first column, so I can transform the data if I want to. If I want to format the data in Power Query, it will launch Power Query. And I can say, remove this column, for example. And, I have the information I guess I want to have. So I'm going to say, okay. I can close that. So I'm going to create this table and the query on the side if I want to go back on the query. I'm going to create this table. And now what? What if I want to know who's the president of this country? Do I know that? I don't have that here. So let me show you something. So if you go again in data, you have a component called data types, and there's one called geography. If you click on that, it's going to analyze all the information and it will give you extra information here. So if I click, for example, let's look at France. Is France somewhere? Probably in the F section here. So I can see that if I click here, I can have multiple information. I can see the capital. So maybe I want to add the capital in my table. So boom, I have the capital. What if I want to add something else than the capital? Maybe I want to I already have the population. Maybe I want to know the president. Do I see who is the president here? Blah, blah, blah. I have the largest city, the official language. What is the official language? So let's add that. Okay, added the official language here. There's a lot of official language in this country. Let's take another one. Let me find the president. I think I saw it. But as you can see, this is very smart data, and I can find way more information if I need to. I can see here the leaders, so I can add the leader, and boom, I have my leader. And so they have a very long name for some of them. So, and I can do that from here. I can see all the extra information I can find that this gonna provide. I don't know if I have what image. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a flag. So apparently it doesn't work for all the all the country, but some of them are here. I can have the flag. What else do I have? Um, the gasoline price, the fossil fuel energy consumption, very interesting. The GDP. Wow, so many information I can look at directly from here, and I can enhance my time zone. It can be interesting, etc., etc. So it's so amazing the number of information you can find. The total tax rate, unemployment rate, that's very good information. So let's see what is a country who has a. So let's get rid of the field that is don't provide the information, and then sort the smallest Qatar. No unemployment almost in Qatar. So where are the US here? I don't know. Can't see the US. So maybe I can search. Well, where are the US? That's bizarre. It gives me something totally different. So let me sort by select the name, maybe United States. Yeah, United States are here. Wow, the unemployment seems very high. So I'm not sure all the data are accurate. So better check. But the tool is pretty powerful. It can give you more information on the country, and as you can see, the data here. There's other things than just geography, depending on what you're doing. And so I encourage you to investigate these component data types, and play with it and enhance your Excel data with information. Maybe we can try to find something else like the count the states maybe. So I don't know if we have something like, maybe if we do, let me do try something. Let me do North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, California. Let me select that and see if it works. Seems to bring something. Yeah, have the flag, have the capital. So let's add the capital. And so I'm not sure, should I do that? Yeah. So pretty amazing what you can do. And if you want to know the population here, so maybe I need to transform that in a table. And enter that at a table. Yeah, and now I'm gonna add, what can I add here? So it's gonna tell me everything I can add. So image, let's see what kind of image. Here it works. Seems to work better for the US. The leaders. Yeah. What else? The largest city. Are they the capital? No. Charlotte is the biggest capital. Jacksonville is the biggest. I didn't know that. And population by age 65 percentage. I guess Florida should have a high percentage. Yeah, my guess is right. So just play with it. It's very insightful, and that's how you can learn geography with Excel. Hope this was helpful.